Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Righty then. So get 3 cups of water. Not much, is it? This is tank water, so it's not disgusting chlorinated, fluoridated water. Cup of rice, I'm using brown. 500 grams of turkey mince, gobble gobble. About 500 grams of frozen mixed vegetables. Now there's certain veggies, like if it's got tomato in it or it's got onion, stuff like that, dogs, that's not good for dogs. So just make sure that dogs can have this. This is all good. And just, you know, combine it, mix it through a bit. Probably wouldn't smell so bad if it wasn't for the off turkey. Oh well, if something happens to my dog, I guess we know why. Oh, that's, unless that's how turkey mince is supposed to smell, because it's EU. Yeah, so bring this to a boil and then we'll go from there. Now it's boiling. Give it a little stir. Yummy if you're a dog. Turn the heat down to low. Put a lid on. Leave it for 20 minutes. And Bob's your uncle. Happy dog. Happy rog. Yum. I think my dog might have to fight me for this one. So once it's cooled, you can give some to your little pet or pets. How good does that look? And then just store it away in a store it away in a container. Coco, look. Special yum. Coco, come. Want to try? You do the taste test. Is that? Coco, do you like that?